Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited WhatsApp account. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited fake WhatsApp account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Play Store. So just look for your Play Store and search for your secure VPN over here. So search for secure VPN. Now once you search for your secure VPN, there are many, so I'll recommend this one to you guys. You can see this one has more than 100 million plus download. So just download this secure VPN, and once you have downloaded this secure VPN, all you need to do is to go ahead and then open your secure VPN. So just go ahead and then search for your secure VPN over here. Now once you open your secure VPN, you can see checking network settings. Just click on, just wait for it to load. So just wait as it is connecting over here, and then click on connect, and you can see connected. Now you can see the key button at the top here, and you can see connected. It means I have now connected to this secure VPN. Now once you are connected to this secure VPN, just go back and then open your WhatsApp. But before you open your WhatsApp, you have to make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So if your WhatsApp is not updated, search for your WhatsApp, and then you need to make sure you update your WhatsApp to the latest version. So search WhatsApp and then update your WhatsApp application to the latest version. So you can see my WhatsApp is updated over here. So once your WhatsApp is updated, just go ahead and then open your WhatsApp. Then you click on agree and continue. Now once you open your WhatsApp, it will be asking for your contact. I have already selected USA because I was using USA number for my WhatsApp, so it is already on USA. Now once you have selected USA, which is the United States over here, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Play Store, just search for receive SMS online. This is a very special application, and you can see receive SMS online here. Once you search for receive SMS online, there are many, so you can see there are many, but I'll recommend this one to you. So you can see this receive SMS online. It has more than 1 million plus download. You can see over here it has more than 1 million plus download. If you already having it but not updated, you need to make sure it is updated to the latest version. Now once you are done, just open this receive SMS online. Now once you open this receive SMS online, just wait for it to load, and you can see France, United Kingdom, Finland, USA. Now in my case, I'll go for United States, and there are so many, so select any number. Now you can see copy and refresh page. Just click on copy, and you can see number copied to clipboard. Once you have copied the number, just go back to your WhatsApp. Now paste this United States number over here. The one is already there, so just delete one. Delete the one is already there. Now once you are done, just click on next, and you can see connecting. Just wait for it to connect. So edit the number over here. Okay, and you can see the QR code is now sent to me. So just open your receive SMS online and click on refresh. Now refresh for the latest SMS. Now you can see your WhatsApp code over here. Now use this code to create your unlimited fake WhatsApp account. So with this, you can create unlimited fake WhatsApp account. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,